Hello, little fellows. Today we are going to learn the alphabet. Let's learn together. Are you ready? A apple. A apple. B bird. B bird. C cat. C cat. D dolphin. D dolphin. E earth. E earth. F frog. F frog. G giraffe. G giraffe. H heart. H heart. I ice cream. I ice cream. J juice. J juice. K key. K key. L leaf. L leaf. M mouse. M mouse. N notebook. N notebook. O owl. O owl. P pig. P pig. Q queen. Q queen. R ring. R ring. S sun. S sun. T tree. T tree. U umbrella. U umbrella. V violin. V violin. W watermelon. W watermelon. X, xylophone. X, xylophone. Y, yacht. Y, yacht. Z, zebra. Z, zebra. See, learning alphabets is so much fun. Watch this video again and learn the alphabet and its sounds. Have a good day. Bye-bye.